Hello, welcome to Sniper Trades. Now I am going to show a live example of the violation of MACD's original path and then crossover in a bearish direction. So as we can see, the MACD line has crossed this trend line resistance and moved up. Then later, now we can see the MACD line is crossing downwards the signal line. So we must consider a sell here, shorting here. So I am marking a horizontal line here at this particular level. So we are considering a short position here. So now let's wait and see how the price will move further, up or down. I expect the price to come downwards as this MACD line has violated its original path and crossed the resistance upwards and then giving us a sell signal. So this is a good chance in bearish direction. The price must come in bearish direction soon. It is downtrend. I am just showing an example here. So I am pausing this video and I'll show you once the movement starts in either downside or upside. I expect the price to move further downwards. So let's wait and see. So now as we can see, the price has made a new low of 3803 from our 3808 level. So it has made a low of 5 points, and we can see at this level the price is a little bit consolidating, and this level is a support. This is acting as a support because as we can see, this MACD line is bouncing downwards at this particular resistance or trend line, and at this point the MACD line has crossed the resistance and moved upward. So we got a buy chance here from this level, that is at 38092. It has made a new high of 3827. So after the MACD line has crossed upwards this particular trend line resistance, so when it comes back and hits this particular line, this line will act as a support. So before the MACD line has crossed this line was a resistance, and after it broke and it went upward and again came downward and hit this line, this line will act as a support. So at this particular time, the MACD line is at this particular level, and it is acting as a support. So as we can see, the MACD line is also consolidating at this particular level, so it must break downwards. So as I can see, the MACD line is trying to cross downwards and break this support, and also the price is trying to come downwards. So let's again wait and see if the price could come further downwards. I am still expecting the price to be in a little bearish direction. As I am using 3-minute candle, the movement will not prolong for a long period, but yes, I expect the price to come further downwards. So let's wait. So now as we can see, the new candle has broken the previous low, that is this low, and made a low of 3801. See here. So I expect the price to move further downwards also. And the another thing I want to say is, as we can see here, one bearish bearish divergence occurred. See here. Here the crude oil price has attained a high, and later see another high was made at this particular level. But as we see, the MACD has formed a high here, and when the price has formed another new high, the MACD has not formed a new high, but rather it formed a new low. See, the MACD the second point is lower than the first point in the MACD. So that means when the price is making a new high, there is no necessary trend strength or momentum in upward direction. So the price should soon move in a the price should soon move downwards, as we can see here. As the price has made a new high here, see the price has moved downwards also, and later this MACD trend line, we can draw another MACD trend line here. As we can see, I am joining this high and this lower high, and see this trend line was broken here, and the price is moving upward. See, at this particular level the MACD line has crossed a minor resistance, and the price has moved upward. And as we can see, similarly here, after the MACD line has crossed the resistance and moved upward, violating its path, the MACD line has crossed downwards the signal line and gave us a sell signal here. So as the MACD has violated its path and then gave a sell signal above this baseline, we can see it is a good shorting opportunity. So see, the price has moved downwards. That is how the this strategy works. And see, now also this after MACD violating this trend line resistance and moved upward, then gave a sell signal here above this baseline, that is zero line. We know that this is a good shorting opportunity. So after the crossing, see the price is moving in a downward direction. The necessary momentum is not there. It should soon gain. So let's wait again and see if the price can break this particular resistance and come downwards. So now see, the price has made a new low of 3793 from our shorting level of 3808. So it came down about 15 points down, and now it's facing a small resistance here, a small support here. So with my other trend track real-time trend tracking method, I think the price is going to break this support and is going to come further downwards. So let's wait and see. I think the necessary downside strength is gaining at this particular point. The price must move further downwards from here. I am saying this after analyzing real-time trend tracking with another method. So I am not covering it in this particular video. I am talking about MACD only. So now let's see if the price can come further downwards and break this support. I believe the necessary trend strength in downtrend is gaining at this level. This is a supply zone. So let's pause and wait for a while to see if the price can break this support or bounce upwards. So see, the price is coming downwards. It has made a new low of 378988. Is still coming down. I have already said that this is a supply zone and the price must break this level and come downwards. And see, the momentum is gaining. The candle is getting bigger and bigger. It will move further downwards also. 3788, the low made from 3808 from the shorting level here. So what this method is, I'll explain once more. So people think that at every crossover of MACD below the signal line, we get a good shorting advantage. So it's not like that. If the MACD is violating its original path and breaking a resistance and moving upwards and then get a sell signal, it will work fine in downwards in the shorting position. Similarly, if we are taking a long position like this, we can mark a vertical a line by joining the lower highs and lower lows, and then if the MACD is violating its path and coming downwards, then if we get a crossover of MACD above the signal line, we can take a long position. I'll show you an example here also. See here, I am joining this higher low, this higher low and this lower low. So MACD line has crossed downwards this support and then gave a buy signal here. See, the MACD line has crossed upwards the signal line. So this crossover after the path violation is a good chance for long position. So see, the price has moved up so much from this level. See here, from this level of 3780 level, it has made a high of 3827. This is the advantage of using this method. So let's wait and see if the price can move further downwards also. The low made till now is 3785 and the price is still coming down. See, moving further downwards. See, it has made a new low of 3767 and it should continue to fall downward. As I can see, this is a support and this should break, and as I have tracked a real-time trend, the trend is increasing in downside or downtrend. So the price may break this level also. There is still a probability. So as we can see, after the MACD line has violated its path and gave a sell signal, this sell signal was a great opportunity for shorting. As we can see, other crossovers in sell side gave only less movement. As we can see here also MACD line has crossed downwards the signal line, giving us a sell signal, but the price has moved only little. So after violating the path, the MACD line, if the MACD line gives us a sell signal, it will be a good opportunity in most of the cases. Sometimes it will be a false signal, as it is unavoidable. So let's wait and see if the price will break this support. So see, the price has broken this support also, as we have already tracked the real-time trend and found that the trend is rising in downtrend. So the price broken the support and came downwards, and it is continuing to go downwards also. The new low made is 3755, giving us a profit of above 60 points from our shorting area, that is 3808. It is going further down also. The trend is rising in downtrend. I am saying this by analyzing trend with the help of other strategy, which I am not talking in this particular video. See, the price has moved further downwards and made a new low of 3753 from our shorting position level, that is 3808, giving us a profit of about 55 points straight. See, that is what I have to talk about this particular strategy with MACD indicator. So for more videos about technical analysis about in intraday and positional trades, please subscribe our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon right next to it. So thank you. See you next time.